Hi, welcome to another EPC Teardown Guide. Today we are taking a look at the Antminer S9. This teardown is going to be very simple and quick. Now let's get into it. Alright, Antminer S9 teardown. First we'll start with the fan up top. Long screws to tear out. Now that that's been disconnected, go ahead and disconnect the fan from the board. I am wearing gloves just because I prefer to wear gloves today, but you don't have to. Okay, I had to drill the head off the screw because it was wobbled out where I could not get a bite on it with a Phillips head. So the way to get it off is to drill the head off so I can pull the plate off to gain access to the boards, since this unit will not be used in the future. Now I'm disconnecting the cables from the individual boards that do the computational algorithm for mining Bitcoin or whatever these can mine, which I don't know offhand, whichever algorithm. It has 3 computational boards with many ASIC chips on here for computing the algorithm so it can produce the hash power that this device uses. Next, we're taking out the control board that controls the ASIC chip boards. These 3 gets controlled by the main board, which holds the software and has the data in and out that connects to a network via the Ethernet cable or the Ethernet port, and then it has a micro SD card port here for doing firmware updates. As you can see, the aluminum case, there's nothing there other than the shell and the secondary fan. It's pretty simple to take it apart as long as you don't run into a stripped screw or wobbled out screw that prevents you from getting one of the screws out. And that's how you tear down an Antminer S9.
Don't feel like doing a teardown yourself? Have not just one, but hundreds of devices taking up space? EPC is a global leader in the ITAD field, and it's our goal to reduce e-waste and give devices a second chance. Reach out to us today to learn more.